I remember that chilly October afternoon like it was yesterday. My friends Mia and Zoe and I decided to explore the old Hawthorne Manor. As we crept inside, the air felt heavy, and I could almost hear the walls breathing. We split up, chasing our curiosity, my heart racing with every creak of the floorboards. Then came that crash from the attic, pulling us back together. We climbed those stairs, the anticipation crackling between us. And there it was, a dusty old mirror and a flicker of something beyond. When the ghost appeared, it wasn't fear I felt, but a strange connection. We held hands, shared our fears, and in that moment we all found a little piece of peace. Leaving the manor, I realized it wasn't just about the adventure. It was about friendship and the bonds that tie us together, even in the darkest places.